Some of my colleagues are concerned that lawyers are going to be replaced by artificial intelligence. So it caused me to have a little bit of concern myself. So I thought I would try to find out the answer to whether lawyers will be replaced by artificial intelligence. Now, lawyers, of course, are going to be biased in this regard because, hey, we don't want to be out of a job. We have good businesses. We want to keep making money. We want to keep taking care of our families. So it wouldn't be fair if we were to provide our reasons for it. So what I decided to do is to ask ChatGPT whether it thinks lawyers will be replaced by artificial intelligence. And I got an answer. In this video, we will see the answer that was given to me by ChatGPT. My name is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. If you find this video helpful, entertaining, or interesting, like the video and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's jump right in. So news stories all over are saying, is artificial intelligence going to replace all these jobs? And there's videos out there that is artificial intelligence going to overtake financial advisors, or artificial intelligence going to overtake this and that job? And of course, lawyers are one of the areas where artificial intelligence may end up taking the place of many lawyers. So I wanted to find out whether that was the case, so I went to ChatGPT and I typed in the following question. Will AI replace lawyers in the future? If so, how soon? Not an unfair question in my opinion. I think that's a good way to ask it. First of all, it gives the yes or no question of whether lawyers are replaceable, but I also wanted to know how much time I have left in order to prepare, so if I have to get out of the legal industry, I can find something else to do. So I wanted to know how soon that will happen. This is the response that ChatGPT gave to my questions. It says, while AI has the potential to automate some of the tasks that lawyers perform, it is unlikely to fully replace lawyers in the near future. Legal work often requires a high degree of human judgment and creativity, which is difficult to replicate with current AI technologies. However, there are some areas where AI is already being used to augment legal work. For example, AI-powered software can help lawyers with document review, legal research, and contract analysis. In addition, AI is also being used to develop predictive models for legal outcomes and to assist with the discovery of relevant evidence in litigation. Overall, while AI will certainly change the way that lawyers work, it is unlikely to fully replace them anytime soon. Legal work involves complex and nuanced human interactions and decision-making, and machines are not yet capable of replicating these abilities to the degree that human lawyers can. So just a few things here. It clearly says that there are certain responsibilities of the legal industry that AI can replace. So things like document review, things like evidence, discovery, being able to obtain that information, contract analysis, and then being able to create some predictive models for outcomes of how things may work under certain conditions and with certain statistical analysis. So there are functions in the legal industry, but none of those things are things that require a lawyer. Now, a lot of times, like document review and things like that, the big firms will use lawyers, their first and second year lawyers, to be able to bill on a lawyerly rate, whereas most small firms would rely on paralegals and legal staff to assist with these types of things. So it wouldn't really so much replace the lawyers as it would some aspects of legal staff. So that's kind of where it's looking, at least in ChatGPT's answer. And it also does say that under its current technology. So is it possible that something comes in the future where the predictive models become so sophisticated that they can then make judgment calls? I mean, maybe, but I mean, that's likely, down the road. I mean, even Elon Musk's robot at this point is, we'll just say behind schedule for production with the Tesla factory. So I don't think that they're going to be replacing lawyers anytime soon. And plus there are things that occur in particularly for litigators and trial lawyers like myself, where we are in the moment, a witness says something you didn't expect, they've changed their testimony, or they've brought up information that wasn't disclosed at certain times, and you need to be able to react to that. Do you object? Do you ask for a continuance? Do you go ahead and just roll the dice and say, well, it's not going to be that big of a problem? Those are types of on-the-spot decisions that are complex, as ChatGPT has recognized. So it doesn't seem likely, particularly when it comes to litigation attorneys, that it's going to have much of a possibility of replacing lawyers. But who knows? It'll be interesting to see how all of the artificial intelligence progresses. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Will ChatGPT be replacing Drew Page as a trial lawyer? Or do I have some good job security? What's going to happen with the future of AI and lawyers? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, stay tuned.